Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the basic thing that is called verbs in French. So the basic verbs in French are être, avoir and aller. Let us see how do we conjugate it. We are going to conjugate the first verb that is called être. So you can see I am writing être and the meaning for être verb is to be. So first of all we write the subject. I am writing the subject here. So you can see I have written all the subjects here. Now as per the subject I am going to conjugate the verb. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So I'll repeat it again for everybody. The first verb, that is the most important verb in French, that is called être, and the meaning is to be. I'll conjugate and I will translate the verb for you. So the translation says, je suis means I am. Tu es means you are. Here il means he. Elle means she. So she, he is. Then we have we are. Then you will see vous êtes. So this is called you are. Here il is written in plural, elle is written in plural. This means this is masculine plural and this is feminine plural. When we are talking about many males, this is called masculine plural. When we have many females, that is called female plural. So here the translation says they are. So they are masculine plural, they are feminine plural. So one thing that is most important here is when we talk about tu and here we talk about vous. So both the meanings are same. Now how do I identify which one is different from the other? So this one is your singular and this one is your plural. So this is singular verb and this is plural verb. So we'll repeat the verb once more. It says être, to be, and the conjugation is je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Guys, now we'll move to the next verb, that is avoir. So let's conjugate the verb avoir. Avoir means to have. Now we'll conjugate the verb. First I'll do is I'll write all the subjects. So what I'm doing, I'm writing all the subjects here. See, we need to write the subjects in sequence. So you can see all the subjects are written here. Now I'll conjugate the verb. You can see I'm conjugating the verb here. Now one very important thing here is the two vowels cannot come together. So you'll see je, a. So what I'll do is I'll remove the first e and I'll put an apostrophe here. So it becomes j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons. So we'll identify one thing here. Whenever there is a consonant and a vowel, so the sound merges. So here the pronunciation will be nous avons. If single word, if I write, it becomes avons. But when I talk about nous avons, it becomes nous avons. Then here it becomes vous avez, vous avez. Then here it is ils ont, elles ont. This is how we pronounce. Now let us see the meaning of this. It is I have. This means you have. This means he, she has. Now this one is he and this one is she. So here the meaning is we have. Here again the meaning is you have. Here the meaning will be they have. Now again we'll identify they means here these two will be masculine plural and here this will be feminine plural. Again I'll tell you one more thing. Here the meanings are same. So this is singular and here this one is plural. So don't get confused in this. Tu are is you have. It is singular. Here vous avez is again you have. This one is plural. Let's move to the next verb, that's aller. The meaning of aller verb is to go. Now what I'll do is, first of all, I'll write all the subjects. So what am I doing? I'm writing the subjects. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il plural, elle plural. So now I'll conjugate the verb. Now you can see the conjugation. Okay, so how do we say it? We say it je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons. Again, the sound will merge here because of the consonant. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now students, you can use a trick here. What I'll do is, I'll write vais. So remove this I and then write va. Here remove this S and write va. And for allons, you can pick up A double L from here and then add ONS. A double L, then we add EZ. And here we will pick up V from here and add ONT. So this is one of the trick, you can use it. Now we'll do one thing, we'll translate it. Now what do you mean by this? This means I go. Here this means you go. Here this means he, she goes. Now here this means we go. Here this means you go. And here this means they go. Now again the similar thing. This is given in singular and this one is given in plural. So when I'm talking about a single person, I'm going to use tu vas. When I'm going to talk about many people, then in that case I'm going to use vous allez. Okay? Students, what I've done is I have written all the three verbs together for you and let us see where we face problem. Generally students face problem in the plural form, that is sont, on and vont. Now one thing we have to see is we are writing on everywhere. So ONT, this is on. We are writing everywhere. Now what you have to remember is, see in être verb we have S here, we have S. So this is your trick to learn. Now you'll find V is written here and V is written here also. So this can be your trick to remember that this is aller verb, this is être verb. Is that okay? Now I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.